For this next assignment, I'm going to have you unleash your creativity. You're going to put together a short presentation using a green screen. And you've all seen a green screen in use. It's what weather forecasters stand in front of, and then their maps magically appear. So how is this going to apply to your world history assignment? That's totally up to you. Will you take us on location and show us around the ruins? Or will you take us inside of the Peloponnesian War? Maybe you do a creative interpretation of Homer's Iliad. Options are endless. You can do really whatever you want to do with this as long as you're being creative. Totally up to you. So in order to complete this assignment, you're going to need to know how a green screen actually works. You stand in front of or move around in front of a green screen while your presentation is videotaped. And then that video is dropped into an app where the green will disappear and it's going to be replaced with whatever you want to use to enhance your presentation. This will take time, patience, and planning on your part, but I know that you can do it. Have fun with this.